VS Code is now a web app. If you go to vscode.dev, you'll get a lightweight version of the app. You can open up projects on your machine, or you can open up a GitHub repo. Let me tell you why this is exciting. There are a lot of possibilities for features, and it's not actually about the IDE itself. First, it's accessible. No more OS-specific installs. I know a lot of you are on one of the big 3 operating systems, but this makes development on any device possible. I'm talking about tablets, phones. Why program on a tablet? That's a discussion for another time. Secondly, things like onboarding and jumping between projects is super easy. Companies can set up a standardized IDE with all the plugins and automations ready to go. Open source contributions can become so easy now. You just open up a link and start writing code. Now, we all know that there are automation tools and build workflows that are OS agnostic, but if you've ever led a project and managed a team before, you know that this is not 100% perfect. Having a standardized and unified developer experience and environment can really help reduce the friction and reduce problems when building software. Thirdly, all the possibilities for URLs like vscode.dev/some hash. Think about how much easier pair programming will be. You can control specific files per repo instead of having to clone the whole thing. Maybe a read-only or an isolated instance that mimics production, so people like QA engineers and devs can go debug. You can do live plugin demos, controlled workflow demos. The possibilities are endless. Personally, I'm pretty excited about what they're going to do with this, but let me know in the comments what you think.